Hello and welcome to the SuiteX Shop Floor MES solution. Today I'll be walking you through work order completion, work order issues, the ability to leverage built-in work instructions, as well as document management. We built SuiteX for NetSuite manufacturers who need real shop floor control, real-time data sync, live production visibility, and the ability to manage every work order, operation, and labor transaction without ever leaving the floor. To get started, you can see we've got work order dashboards, which can be configured to meet specific user needs, as well as a manufacturing dashboard that highlights work orders, routings, and bill of materials. Notice automatic segmentation based off status, work orders to be completed on a given day, as well as total work orders in process. To take this a step further, we've got a calendar view whereby I can click on any given day and select a desired work order that I want to interact with. You'll notice from the top the ability to view as well as create work order issues by item, by location, as well as automatic sequencing of all operation tasks highlighted by steps at the above. We've got MES cards, which highlight specific routings or operation tasks that automatically allow for start and stop functionality based off runtime, as well as setup time and time that is automatically captured, consolidated, and posted against the job. Last but not least, work instructions make for easy click and interactivity, as well as additional work instructions for header level work order supplemental detail. If and as you need to update the progress and include additions to runtime or setup time, as well as enter completions, simply enter completions, enter in your desired amount, complete the task, and the work order completion is automatically submitted to the work order in NetSuite on your behalf. You'll notice as we sequence through one operation task to the next, it pulls us directly through the next step, as well as identifies a partially complete operation, allowing for additional work order completions and/or the ability to step through the next process and complete the task. I'll go to step 3, whereby we can start the task. I'm going to enter the completion to complete the task. Notice as we do a complete process, we're able to sequence to the next operation or routing step. I'll again enter completion, in this case for all 100,000 units, complete the task, and it automatically sequences us to step 4. As with previous steps, you'll notice work instructions, if available, are dynamically illustrated, as well as the additional work order instructions, which are available from the header level itself. We've also got the ability to leverage drag and drop file management with native Google Workspace, as well as Microsoft OneDrive integration at no cost. And then last but not least, as we complete our final operation steps, we'll notice it sequences us to the final step, at which point we'll be able to get summarized completion data across the entire work order process. You'll then notice complete work order summary with breakdown of total units completed at each incremental step, overall run and setup time, and then any work order issues as applicable. Last but not least, if you want to close the work order to prevent additional work order operations, simply close, and it automatically updates your work order in NetSuite. Thanks for watching.